name is Sasuman.
Sa cement.
Yeah.
Sir, bali, kita daw sa sir, bali dito daw sa natin tumakot. Yan. Sir, Alex.
Hi.
Alex, ano ka?
Kumusta?
Ito, mabuti. Saan ka galing? Where have you been?
US, kuya.
Si
Yeah.
Alex, si Alex.
Hi.
Do you know him? Her? Wilma. Wilma.
I'm not sure.
No.
How are you?
Wilma.
Can I give you a hug?
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, how are you?
Ito si Alex. Dumugo ilong ko mamay.
Hi ate, kumusta?
Ay, nagtatagalog ka ba?
Konti lang, mostly
Konti lang.
English.
Kakatawag lang ni Lay sa akin eh.
Naiintindihan.
Buti hindi ka naligaw.
I don't understand. Sorry. I'll do my best to try ko. Okay.
Kasi Lay called me about your coming.
Yeah.
From
Ate Leia, yeah. I was just there in Quezon City. Yeah.
And she told me to assist you.
Yes. Anong pangalan mo po, ate?
Janet.
Ate Janet.
Oo, asan na si ano? Halika sa office.
Okay po.
Sorry kasi nagpakulay ako eh.
Okay
Akala
lang,
ko kasi-
ayan, maganda, mas maganda.
Akala ko kasi matatanggal na ba? Kilala mo?
Hindi, pasensya na po.
kasi
Kumusta,
social
ate?
worker mo pa siya nung nandito ka.
Ate Daisy?
No, Henilyn.
Ate Henilyn.
But
Good to
Daisy,
see you
you know,
po.
you know Daisy?
I'm not sure if I remember.
Ate Den, halika na!
Si Ate Den, your
House parent, former house parent.
Your house parent in Boyko.
Oo nga eh.
Hi ate. Kumusta?
O, pinahintay kita sa kanya.
Teka lang.
I told her to wait you.
Picture mo.
Okay po.
Oo, nagtatagalog siya konti.
Konti lang Tagalog, konti lang.
Kasama niya.
Wala.
Kasya lang.
Hindi niya kasama parents niya.
My parents in US.
How old are you?
27.
Wow!
Yeah.
Tanda na tayo. Diyos. Nagpakulay lang namin.
6 years old siya nung nandito siya eh. According sa case study niya, nauna. 6 years old. 1999.
At umano kumusyaw yung kulay niya.
Oo, 1999 eh.
Wow.
Oo nga. Dito kayo, dito yung boys home nun. Dito
Yeah.
kayo, ano. Ngayon kasi dito na-renovate.
Oo.
Nung maliit siya dito. Saan ba room niya dyan? Di ko na. Ate Den, bakit matandaan mo? Magbalik.
Baba mo muna kaya yung bitbit mo. May ipamimigay daw kasi
Kumusta,
siya sa mga
ate?
bata.
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, thank you. Good to see you. Where po?
Kita mo.
Wow.
Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Sherwin, may
Willie.
asawa na.
Hindi ko matandaan yung iba sa sobrang tagal. Jet,
Yeah.
nakinlin. Tapos ito ang hindi ko matandaan. Iniisip ko sino ba?
Si Willie yan, di ba?
Si Willie. Si Nakinlin, hindi ko masyado mano yung pangalan. Si Jet.
Ate, anong pangalan mo po?
Ito siya.
Ate May.
Sherwin.
Good to
Meron
meet you.
yung grupo eh. Wait lang.
Yung gift folder niya, no?
Hey kuya.
Grab.
Yes po. Yeah.
Ito yung marami. Group picture. Family
Yes po.
picture.
Oh. Wow. Yeah.
Si ma'am.
Ayan.
Galing na siya dun sa office. Yung tumatawag sa akin
Sa dami nila noon, hindi ko na matandaan. Ayan sila kadami. Oh.
Sayang pala si ate. Sana pala
Ate Raquel.
napatawag natin.
Ayan.
Ate Raquel, yeah.
Still di.
I remember you too. You're
Oh,
a
diba?
driver. Anong pangalan mo po?
Ever, di ba?
Kuya
Ever.
Kuya Eber.
Oo,
I'll give you a hug,
Kaya
kuya.
nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, si Alex.
Wow,
Sa
Kuya
Sibel.
Eber. Mainit po.
Then, dyan, ipasa mo na lang sa akin. Huwag na akong kasama kasi nakisakulay ako ng buhok. Nakakaya naman. Picture tayo.
Kayo muna.
Kuya Eber.
Ay, wait lang. Kami muna. Ayan.
Ikaw, Timad.
Oh, thanks,
Isa pa,
kuya.
isa pa.
O wala ka pa dito.
Ang galing.
Alex.
Sa Alex.
Yes po, ate din.
Inabot pa nga ni Ruth.
Oh, sorry, camera po.
Ilan taon ka na ngayon, Alex? How old are you?
27 po. Yeah.
7 years old.
Yeah, I just turned 27 November. Yes po.
No girlfriend?
In the past, yeah. Yeah.
US.
Amerika siya.
Yeah, America.
Sabay nito si Leo.
Yeah, Leo is in Florida. Yeah, I still in contact with him. Yeah, he's my brother, you know, and love him. Yeah.
What about Matthew?
Matthew, different state.
But do you have communication with Matthew?
No,
Even us, we don't have communication with him.
cause he was older than me and Leo. Yeah, but he was so smart. I remember he was so smart.
You know
Yeah.
Nanay Lydia?
Nanay Lydia.
Diba?
Yeah, Nanay Lydia, yeah.
Before, she has communication with Matthew, but
Yeah.
after a while, no.
Yeah.
Friendster pa noon eh.
Pero nawala din yung yako ko doon sa community sa ano niya, yung sa nanay niya.
Nauna mang si Kiray niya agad eh.
Oh, si Kiray
Kasi
muna.
ewan ko kung...
Do you remember also Kiray from the girls' home?
What's her name?
Kiray.
Irai?
Kiray. Kiray.
Kiray?
Buong pangalan.
She been in Italy, I think.
Wow, Italy.
Hindi, Amerika din yata.
Sila
America.
I remember Kim. He was my one of my best friends too. Yeah. He's in Italy.
Kim kasi lalaki no.
Kim mo.
I remember he would
Si Kiray.
call us when we were kids here. Yeah. So how are you guys doing? Good.
Still here?
Yeah, you're still working here. It's it's amazing. I can't believe I wasn't expecting you to be here. It's kind of crazy. Miss na kita po.
I miss.
Oh.
Actually, tinatago ko ngayong naintindihan yung Tagalog, di ba?
Konti lang Tagalog
konti
ate.
lang.
But try ko to understand, yeah.
Pero ano mo yung Tagalog, di ba?
Tanglish, yeah. Taglish.
Yung mga pictures, mga
Yeah.
memories.
Yeah, pictures.
We have
I forgot to bring the physical copy,
Mhm.
but I have pictures. Yeah.
6 na siya. Oo, 6.
Ah.
The beach.
Oo.
Yeah, the beach.
Admission, May 14, 1999.
Ternate Beach to eh.
Yeah.
Marines.
Where is this ate?
Hmm?
I'm gonna try to go there today, or you know.
I don't know it. Okay pa ba sa Marines ngayon? Nagpapapasok pa?
Dapat ba niya si Jacel?
Jacel?
Jacel, do you remember him? Or
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I remember.
before he was there in the children's home.
Opo.
But after when I think no. Do you remember Nanay Lita with the eyes was little bit different?
I'm not sure.
Yes.
Nanay Lita.
Nanay Lita is
Yeah.
and Nanay Lydia, Nanay
And I remember Nanay Lydia because we would spend
yes.
Christmas over at her house.
Oh yes, in Binakayan.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Nakuha siya tayo, magti-teenager na.
Grade 3?
elementary pa lang.
Elementary.
Elementary.
I think grade 3 or grade 4.
Elementary
Magti-13.
to first grade to fourth grade. I think I went here. Yeah.
First 4 years. 2007 eh, yung last na case study niyang hawak eh.
Grade 3. Grade 3 siguro siya, diba? Grade 2, grade 3? Parang gano'n. Hindi ako sure.
I still have the pictures of me in school. It's back in the States though. Yeah.
Ang mga kabatch niyang inabot dito is
Teka lang,
was
titignan ko.
Congratulations.
Leo
Thank you, ate.
Sherwin.
Thank you. I feel
Leo
delighted.
Sherwin.
masaya ako.
Masaya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung anak ni Ate Virgie.
Jonathan.
Jonathan, you remember him?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Yeah,
Wala na.
tall. He was tall.
Yeah, oo.
He was my leader.
Yeah, before.
Yeah.
Now he is
Truck
working
driver.
in
Yeah.
a truck
Truck driver.
Truck driver.
Yeah.
But sometimes he is visiting us
Oh.
here because he is living in Bulacan.
Yeah.
He has 4 children now.
4 children. Wow.
Kaya nga, nag-swimming kasi sila.
This is you, Jude, Willie.
I remember Jude. Yeah.
This one. Robert.
Hindi.
Robert. Yeah. He was so
Robert.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Johnny.
Johnny, Ate Raquel's son.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
adopted.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Jonas.
Sino yung kapatid ni Johnny? Si
Jan.
Jan.
May kamusta na si Jan? Saan?
Here's
Matthew.
Matthew, Nonoy, Regino.
Nonoy?
Nonoy.
Yeah, Nonoy.
Yes, Nonoy. Di ba?
Asan si Nonoy ate?
Regino.
ka pa niyan.
Andito sa Jan,
Jo Marie.
sa ano.
Di ba, Jo Marie?
Ito? Hindi.
Hindi. Si ano?
Francis,
Francis, yes.
Sherwin, Leo.
Yan, Leo.
Ito hindi ko matandaan eh. Jerome is
Jerome.
in America.
Yeah, America.
Siya.
Pumunta dito.
But he did not, hindi mo inabot yun eh.
Hindi kasama niya, nakasama niya si Jerome. Ito
Ah,
picture
nakasama.
nila to. Si
Ah.
Jerome, si Francis, Naginlin. Hindi ko matandaan. Hindi ko matandaan. But Jo Marie and Jet. Tapos ito siya.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Ayan.
Ito? Oh, yeah.
Ito
Yeah.
yung sila yung
Maliit.
maliit siya. Maliit pa siya. Kaya pa ganyan, no. Malaki, no. Si Jonas, si
Oh,
Johnny.
Jonas. I remember. Still you remember
Nonoy.
Jonas, di ba?
Ito.
Yeah, Jonas. So,
And
He was in
Matthew.
Paris now.
ilan taon Jonas?
That time? Now?
Siguro nasa 30s na siya ngayon.
Oo.
But at that time, Ate, how
At
old?
that time.
Para may may
Sige.
nostalgia.
Saan dito siya din?
Hindi yung maliit.
Sa huli na. Ay, parang siya dati.
Bring back the memories here.
Yeah, I remember this floor.
Bring back the memories, the nostalgia of
Yes po.
reminiscing the
Our dining.
Yes po.
Room, yan. Kitchen, yan.
Yeah.
Bakit ba nagkwentuhan na nga doon? Kaya
Ayan.
So, na iba lang yung set, pero ito pa rin.
But ito pa rin yun yung bahay natin noon.
Na-renovate na, kaya...
Dito kayo madalas naglalaro, no?
Wow.
Babalikan ko yung...
Memory mo yung pagkatalo.
Yes.
Is it okay if I put this down? Put this down.
Ayan.
Skateboard. Yeah.
Sino kasama mong pumunta dito?
Sit down.
Are you sure? I don't like sitting down. I want to be standing up. I just want to be able to move around. Yeah.
Oh, ayan siya nung maliit, oh.
Ayun. Picture
Oo,
mo.
parang meron tayo dito, Ting.
Alexander. Di ba pogi siya dyan?
Oo, dito lang kasi blurred. Yung case holder niya ba nakita, ma'am? Hindi.
Hindi pa nahalungkat.
Nasa archive.
This is the first time I've ever seen this picture.
Oh.
Yeah. I saw it at NACC. They showed it to me.
Every time that the child, there's an adoption, you have the life book. And in your life book, every picture, the first captured picture.
Yeah, you have
Is-
that
yes.
before going to your new family.
Mm-hmm.
Do you
Do you
have a
have?
copy?
Sorry po. NACC has everything. They have the pictures.
How about you? When you go to the US, you don't have anything? It makes a photo album.
Yeah, photo album. I have that. Yeah, I have.
When you are growing, there
Yeah,
are.
Opo, I have it in the
Ah.
States. I brought the some
Live
copies, some copies with me, but I forgot to bring it here. It's in my
okay,
room
good.
in the hostel.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. At least,
I have pictures on my phone though.
yes.
Yeah. So I have this one at
Yung
the
ano namin yan.
I have this one at the beach.
Ayan, yan. Oo, kompleto yun. Oh, yan. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. The
Hi.
life book.
Kumusta?
Ate Raquel?
Ate Raquel.
Nag-start yan sa ano,
Yung
tuklong.
life book. Kaya,
Di ko na.
ano yung picture na
Ate
yun?
Raquel?
Wala siya.
Raquel.
You remember me?
Ate Raquel?
Yes.
Oh my.
No, I'm not there. Songko.
Not Songko.
Not
Oh.
Songko.
Not Songko.
Okay.
Medina.
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 But she work in Tuklong also.
Okay. Well, I'll give you a hug anyway. Kumusta po?
Yung wala siya.
Mabuti. Good to see you. Even though I don't remember. Yeah.
Hindi ko rin ma-remember.
Tapos meron pa yun,
Kasi
yung
bihira
doon
naman kami
siya.
pumunta dito.
So this is
Bihira kami pumunta dito.
Ayan,
Ah,
My picture.
okay. That's good you have that.
this one with my foster family here in the Philippines.
Ah, na-poster nga siya.
Hindi natin alam.
Uh,
We cannot
soc-
trace who's the one.
social worker po. Ate Allen in Metro Manila.
Ayan yung sinasabi niya ate.
What
Mainly.
agency kaya? What agency? Did you remember?
Parenting
O
Foundation.
parenting nga.
Ah, okay. Okay. Nabuo na yung puzzle. We are,
Parenting.
we are completing the puzzle. Yes. The
Ikaw ba yung kasama namin
Oo,
dito?
oo. Mga pasimuno ng ano.
Kaya nakita ko yung ano, ikaw yun eh.
Oh, that's the camp in General Aguinaldo ba? Doon yun.
General Aguinaldo. Wow, this was such a great
Cavite.
day.
Yes.
We went hiking and
Yeah.
went swimming.
Parang kasama yung anak ni Pastora Connie, di ba? Parang
Si Eric.
This one too, ate.
Yeah.
Same
Hindi ko
place.
alam kung sino.
Swimming.
Oo, General
Pagbaba na
Aguinaldo.
natin.
Oo.
Yun.
Oh my
Yun,
gosh.
yes. Oo.
Teka, panlawas
Oo,
na
te.
para
Kasi ano tayo, mukha tayo mga...
This is the same beach where we ate fish.
Ay, hindi na ako dito yan. Ito pa rin yata yun, te. Kayo.
Serville.
Kayo. Serville.
Serville.
Still,
Is it
still
still
there.
open?
Yes. But, a bit old.
Yeah. Okay, I'll still go. I got to
you
go.
wanna-
Yeah, I'll still go.
Ay, yung mga napuntahan
You want to go where the place you
Yeah.
been.
Visit.
you've
Yeah.
been before?
Those, Wilma.
Ate Wilma.
Yes.
I'm not sure if I remember. Yeah.
Kapatid ni
Oh,
Willie.
really?
Basta.
Sister.
Hi, Ate. Ate Wilma, did you work up there or
No.
no?
I'm girls
One of
home.
the girls.
One of the girls.
Yeah.
I'm the
I
sister
do.
of Willie Boy.
Yeah. I think I remember. I think I remember you.
Yes, I remember you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na-recall niya na unti-unti.
Yeah.
How about Tita Rachel?
You were the oldest here, right? Yeah?
No.
No? Maybe it's some other different girl.
Yes.
Elsa.
Yeah.
Ate Elsa, Ate
Yeah.
Lisa.
Elsa now is working here as a social
Okay,
worker.
cool.
Ako
Alright.
inabot niyo po si Mary Joy na po. Si Mary Joy.
Pero ito kay Dara niya rin, eh, no? Di ba? Parang
Hindi po, mas
mas
matanda,
matanda
po
ka sa kanya. Oo.
Pero ano dahil...
Para magkaka-level, oo.
Opo. Kasi 2005 po kami. Dumating dito.
Tama, na poster na siya. Wow, congrats.
So hindi na natin kasi alam yun eh. Pagdating
Oo.
niya dun sa no.
Nung na-post ko.
Mainit.
Mainit, pero like, I remember as a kid, this place used to be much bigger.
Yeah.
But now as I'm an adult, it's
It's small.
yeah, like smaller. Yeah.
Si Jocelyn mo.
Ano, how about
Kumusta?
the rooms?
Tita, ang pangalan ko Alex.
Oo, I
Ano?
remember because but I'm 2000 ano din, ano siya umalis.
7.
Eh dito na ako rin pala noon.
July 2006 nag-resign. So, ayun.
Anong pangalan mo? Anong
Ate
pangalan?
Mads. Mads.
Ate Mads.
Nanay Mads.
Nanay Mads. Good to see you po. Good to see you. Yeah, maganda po. Give you a hug po.
You're in ICAP from ano? Where you been?
ICAB, yes po. Yes po.
Saan siya nagstay?
Where
Ngayon.
you staying?
I stayed, this is my third day here in the Philippines. I stay in Makati, close to the airport. Yeah. Pero I'm gonna try to find a hotel here so I can visit some places here in Cavite. Yeah.
Just sa may SM.
You alone. You alone.
Yeah, yeah.
Malapit sa
Solo
Wow,
journey.
Solo journey. Solo
Yeah.
journey.
Where in US then?
Maryland po, like close,
Maryland, Maryland.
DC, Washington DC. Yeah.
Very cold.
Hanggang
there.
kailan ka dito?
Hanggang
How
kailan? Here,
Yeah.
14 days.
14.
Yeah.
14 days, 2 weeks.
Yes po. Yes po. Yeah.
Hopefully the 2 weeks will be more of
Yeah.
the memories.
Yeah.
And
I mean, it's only my third day, and I'm just like
yes,
overwhelmed and
Yeah.
also just joyful and sad and like. But it's okay.
We're
It's
happy
okay.
you came back
Yeah,
here.
I'm delighted with so much joy to be in your presence.
And your mother.
Yeah, my ate din.
Yes, your ate then.
She,
Yes.
oh man, she disciplined me so well. she,
He remembers ate.
yeah, of course.
And that time ate then
She
so
loved,
young
she
and
loved
then-
us so much. You know, just,
Yes.
Remember niya rin sa Nanay Lydia.
ate din,
Si Nanay Lydia
ilang
Boy.
taon po when
doon
I
sa
was
Iloilo siya.
here.
Okay.
Ako, ilang taon ako noon?
Yeah, back then.
20.
28.
Wow, 28. So I was your age. Oh my gosh.
And now?
Oh.
Now, golden years.
How old are
52, pero mas maganda. Ah.
And you're like a wine, the
The
Yeah.
later na older.
Yes, po.
older.
Yes po.
Yes.
Ano, ilang taon na si si
How old are you?
27 po. Nanay, 27.
Ayan ang umalis siya.
Wanna see your room
small pa
before,
siya.
but it's not good.
It's, yeah, I would love to. Yeah.
Pag ganun.
Bakita mo sa taas.
Sige Alex, just enjoy roaming around.
Ate, anong pangalan mo po?
Henny.
Ate
Henny.
Henny.
Okay.
You're
And,
my social worker before.
Yes, before.
Okay, ate.
The first one is Ninang Gem. And
Yeah.
then when I came, I continued to your papers, to process your papers.
Oh,
and then
thanks,
when
ate.
it was ready, matching, and then I resigned. And then I came back last, for 3 years.
Oh, you
I
live near,
resigned,
yeah,
yes.
you live here,
Yes.
nearby.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then the other social worker, Ate Daisy, the program continued your journey. You can
in the hospital.
in the
You
hospital.
would work upstairs, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
oh
yes.
my gosh.
Upstairs before, yes.
Yeah.
But now,
But now in the boys' home, it was renovated.
Okay
The
po.
office is there. Yes.
Okay.
And
Oh,
then-
boys home upstairs.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Okay.
beautiful boys'
Yeah, you can
home.
visit later.
Okay po.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sige.
I'll give my.
Okay. Enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Ate Nilin, thank you.
Yes.
Have a
And
good day.
welcome back.
Have a good day.
Yes.
Alright.
Also.
But
Natandaan mo kung anong room mo dati?
what room are you?
then anong room?
I'm not sure what room I was in. But
Room 5?
maybe this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Room 5.
Yeah. I would get in trouble in here. I'd be grounded, I have to stay in my room.
Stay
Yeah.
in your room.
Yeah.
Si Matthew lang. Yung kwarto na
Wala
siya
silang
dati dito.
ito. Hindi, may matcha dito.
So storage lang po.
Yeah,
Storage.
storage.
Yeah.
Storage
Okay,
na lang
cool.
siya.
Kasi,
Medyo ano na, kaya kailangan.
Old na.
Old na siya.
Old na siya.
Luma na, luma na.
Luma na.
Oo, mag-practice ka ulit ng Tagalog.
I practice. Practice ate just for you.
Today gusto mo bang i-tour siya sa atin?
sige. Alex,
Yes, po.
yung find na ate Den, someone there.
It's
She's still single.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there will be a pogi boy that's.
Not so much
Not
pogi.
really pogi, but
Oh.
kind person.
Okay. She's around somewhere. Ate then I remember I would paint the floor. Yeah.
Red.
It was always so hard and time consuming.
Matandaan niya pa, no? Ilang taon na
Sabi
siguro?
naman,
Grade 3.
Tama ba?
Grade 3.
Grade 3 yun. You can go there upstairs.
Okay po.
Maalala ko si Leo lagi natutulog yun Hawak yung flower vase. This is a new voice.
Wow, upstairs.
This is the
Wow.
boys' home. New boys' home. Yeah. Kitchen.
Wow. Wow.
Dining, kitchen, stock room, library.
Library. Wow. Wow, library.
Mas maliit siya compare sa baba.
Well, computer.
Yeah.
For homework.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, the other one.
Yeah.
Are you working now?
Yes, well, I work with computers.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What
Um,
kind of?
I do
IT?
No. I wish, I wish I was that smart, but I do graphic design with
really?
art. I make signs for home sellers. Yeah, so I could promote their houses they're selling in the US. Yeah. But yeah, I make signs.
Yeah.
It's a good job. Good boss. Yeah.
Very good, salary.
Yeah, good salary. Yeah, good salary. Not too bad. Not too bad.
So your hand is good, very good.
Yeah, I love to draw. I can show you some of my drawings. Yes, well.
Yeah.
Binigyan siya mag-drawing ng bakit mo.
Ang isolation natin, hindi pa natatapos ng ating Yan, ang ating mga rooms.
This one's pretty out there. I like this. Did a kid draw this one?
Dito from Norway, I think yan.
Norway? Oh, wow.
Ay, pala. Ito yung room nila. 4? Room 4.
Room 4.
Room 4.
Medyo messy. Makalat.
Makalat. What is that one out there?
Messy.
Tight, messy,
Messy. Yan, ang ating...
Yan, CR.
Okay.
Laundry area.
Oh, laundry. Wow, laundry. I remember I had to wash my clothes by hand. Yeah.
Kukuskos sila ng uniform nila.
Wow.
Dito rin.
Maayos ang room 3.
So then how many kids here?
11.
11. Wow.
11. Compare sa kanila ng 20,
Wow.
21.
11.
21? So many.
Yan, yung nasa picture na yan, lahat yung dito. Ganun sila kadami
Kadami.
dati. Compare ngayon na medyo.
Now, only 11.
Yeah.
The required person is at 11.
11. Dito sa atin, sa taas.
It has to be 11.
Yeah.
No more.
11
No.
or 12.
Yeah.
Pupunta tayo dito.
Okay po.
Ito, cellphone mo. So, kumustang buhay-buhay? Kumusta ka doon?
Okay lang po. Just processing everything. But I feel it, in my heart. Puso, umaalog,
Talaga,
Yeah.
Kinakabahan.
Yeah. Was inakabahan. Yeah. Umaalog. Yeah, right? Yeah.
Parang umaalog kinakabahan.
Umaalog, kinakabahan.
Ang tagal mo. Parang...
You look so beautiful. It's so amazing. It's so amazing to just see you.
Guwapo ka.
Thank you po. Thank you. Yeah.
Actually, nag-mature ka, pero yung mukha mo,
Still
still the
same.
same.
Still the same?
Your face, yeah.
Oh man.
Nakita mo yung sa picture?
Yeah. I saw. Yeah, it's no beard. Just small kid.